So I was watching 30 Rock and a joke came up where Jack Donaghy was talking about how Tracy Jordan owns a New York Knicks basketball team, so a giraffe basketball team. So I was like, I could probably make a logo for that. So typically when I make a logo, I start in Sketchbook so I can get all my ideas out. So I got the ideas, the main elements and kind of how I wanted to configure them. So I knew I wanted the neck of a giraffe. So you have the neck of the giraffe's head, and then also the spots that are on a giraffe that I could use throughout the brand. So I started with the concept of two giraffes' necks coming out of a basketball with the spots there. So when I was making the neck with the rectangle and the circle kind of looked like the free throw line, looked like the paint of a basketball court. So I was like, that was cool. So I went from there to make sure that the giraffe necks were the way that I wanted them to be and had them crossed up. And then I made the basketball, so you have the necks coming out of the basketball. In addition to the main logo, I wanted to have an alternate logo that was a little less busy. In the main logo, I have the New York, I have the necks there, so I have the text treatment there. So it looks professional, like it'd be in a real league. And then after that, I moved on to an alternate logo. Now, the alternate logo is a more simplified version of the branding. So still have the basketball there, but instead of the top curve, I actually manipulated that and then put two heads of a giraffe on either side, so that represents the neck. So I kind of incorporated the neck motif inside the basketball and then put the text around it, and then had the spots on either end to kind of continue the reference to a giraffe. And there you have it. So of course, with making the branding of a sports franchise, you got to make mock-ups, right? And that will do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section down below, what fictional franchise should I make a logo for next? Remember, as you go along in life, teach as you learn and inspire as you do. See you next time.